pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter. They just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question and answering conversation. So, let's get started.
How are you? I'm good, thank you. What's your name? My name is Rita. Where are you from? I'm from Kanpur. What do you do? I'm a teacher. Are you busy right now? Yes, I'm a little busy. What's your phone number? My phone number is 665238. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have 3 siblings. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow.
Have you been here before? No, it's my first time here. How was your day? It was good, thank you. Do you need any help? No, I'm fine, thank you. What's your favorite hobby? Reading is my favorite hobby. What's the date today? Today is 31st August. Do you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is winter. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't have any allergies. How are you? I'm wonderful. Are you married? No, I'm single. What do you do in your free time? I usually hang out with my friends. What is the weather like today? Oh, gorgeous, a perfect summer day. How was your day? Very productive. What time is it? It's 4:30. What would you like to drink? Just coconut water for me. How was the party? Small but fun. What is your nationality? I'm Indian. Where are you going? I'm going to the hotel. What time do you get up? I get up about 6 o'clock. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 8:30 a.m. What time did you get up yesterday? I get up at 6:30 o'clock yesterday. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m.
यदि ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रही होगी तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिएगा कि आप इस वीडियो में और क्या चाहते हैं। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।